I'll get this up. Understand me? Scorpio. I'm gonna make it official. Lady Kareem, which is General Chief Daughter. She's gonna ensure that the crown is on the general head. So I'm gonna make that thing here before we reach our part. Yeah man, credit and big up yourself, we'll get that money and get the food. So I'm gonna do that thing here now. All right. Yeah man, people. The thing alright. Hello, the legend there. The legend of all times. In a real life. But they are look at you to grow. The been a year about them money. The great General Trees. In a real life. But a Drewsland first biggest icon. You get over there dealing. It's over there. So, we're going to keep them. Female, come here. You can't hide around this stuff. Make my look good. Mama, I want the outfit that come from. You know my dog? And I answer, business and talk. This look like it comes from over Spain or our park. In a real life. But here, my boy. That's how you have said to the people in a real life. See? I know it comes up, but I like the color. Good night, ladies and gentlemen. Speak up now, Mike. Watch your night.
Your mic turned up, speak up.
Talk up. For the first Edwards, aka General Trees. General Trees is known and beloved by everyone, especially the children, for he is a father and grandfather to all. Trees is kind-hearted man who did a lot of things in his glory days. For those who do not know, Amos Edwards sent children to school, gave some lunch money, helped with school books and bags, etc. He even opened his home in England to family members. General Trees is known for being one of the greats. In the early 80s and 90s, Trees is the reason the $50 bill was created and had the first #1 music video in Jamaica, the song Minibus. General Trees, we know all the great things you have done and we appreciate and love you for them, though not may not know. So tonight, I Table Crew and the youth from the surrounding community have come together to call you
That's right there. You know already.
But you can't give a round of applause for that good message. Come on. I want to hear it one more time for General Tree. Yes, man. Drewsland. A Drewsland king, you know. And all pleasure to organize them come out to support the general. And I just make this occasion to the elder, you know. That's it. And the bonus one in there, so like that. So, thank you the guys for that. You know what I mean? So we just want to just say, General, long live the king. And tonight, we crown you and we say, respect, honor, and enough love. Hey, we're fat and fast there. Before we... Can I get that crown and I hand it to you, my dear? This is the crown for your daddy. You see this little girl here? When she look like him, like a little, you know, fine, we call her fat and fast. And you know your name fat and fast. Yeah. So, this is General Tree daughter, and this great bull crown just like in gold, shirt. I said, it's your honor, my darling, to crown your dad tonight. This morning. Thank you, people. Now, we can't go, you know? Glory! Glory! Hey, you just make some nice and general tree! Yeah. Jamaica people come to Jamaica and drive another man doctor. Jamaican people come to Jamaica and drive another. Hey, ready? Whenever all the drivers gone, whenever all the drivers gone, I want to go to England. I didn't know it. I'm gonna go to the other thing down there and don't be no way. I like. Come on, come on, hold it, man.